Plus, we'll round up all of today's top stories as Chelsea complete the signing of Romelu Lukaku from Anderlecht. And it's Fulham up against Dnipro. The last we checked with Rachel Brooks, it was goalless. Does it remain the same at Craven Cottage, Rachel?
Half-time at Craven Cottage, where Fulham lead Dnipro by 2-0, and we're into the final minute of added time in Switzerland, where Stoke still lead FC Thun by 1-0. So we'll bring you news of full time when that comes very shortly.
Almost half-time of the game between Maribor and Rangers, where Rangers were leading. Charlie Miller is watching that, and I'll keep you right up to date with all of the Europa League games involving British clubs tonight.